I have a Whirlpool duet washer giving the F01, E02 error. I replaced the MCU a few months ago and it worked well until recently when it started giving the same F01, E02 code. The MCU is under warranty, so I replaced it a second time, but it did not resolve the issue. Is there anything else it could be? The drum turns freely by hand.
Is your Whirlpool washer top or front loading?
Front loading.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool washer? What have you tried so far?
I've replaced the MCU. 2 weeks.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I've replaced the MCU and the F01, E02 error still exists.
Hello, I am Joel, and will be glad to help you. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer to help you with your appliance questions. Please give me just a moment to review your question.
Sounds good, thank you.
If the MCU did not fix the problem, then the ACU is going to be the culprit, unfortunately. That is about all the information I can give you without the full model number of the appliance, so if you need part information, send me the model number. I will be glad to help further. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Is it definitely the ACU, or should I just look at replacing the washer?
I would look for a good used ACU on eBay. You can find them pretty reasonable.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.